Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to Korea on a long adventure. I'm waiting currently on two friends who are about to finish soon, and we're gonna see this trip. A lot of beautiful things, hopefully, and experience the culture, the food, and hopefully the women. The bitches.
Filmen. Vad var det du säga? I wanted to say something but I forgot.
She's a newbie. It's alright. Anyways, so today we're going to eat the food, meet the ladies, do everything.
안녕하세요. Look at my nails. They're so cute.
Mine too. Here we are starting our day.
2 minutes before the train departing.
We have a plan of the whole trip, day by day.
Yes, I'm gonna show them as well.
Yes, please.
We have like some tips and app. I don't know if you can read it or if you're blind.
I'm blind.
Here we are filming each other. He has his GoPro and I have my...
Guys, she thinks she has a better camera, but we're gonna prove her wrong in this whole trip. We're gonna take a comparison.
DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But you know
We have our models for the trip and
here we
the
have
activities.
of course, and
But
here,
who cares about her? We care about this.
안녕하세요, bitches. Where are we going?
Amsterdam.
Red District or not?
No.
Maybe next time, yeah?
Maybe anything.
You know what? What do we say to the Korean fans?
사랑해요.
Yeah.
We made it through checking, and now we're going to Amsterdam. I'm so tired. We're waiting on the next flight.
Jag ska göra en sån 360, vad heter det?
Anyways, in 2 hours we're taking the first flight to Amsterdam, and then we're going to Shanghai, China. It's gonna be a long trip, but good times ahead. Alright, next flight, guys, is 12 hours. 12 hours of pain and misery, but at least I'm with lovely company. Better than nothing. What do you say, Noor?
Lovely company.
Lovely company, right? Yeah. Anyone want to join? No one. Alright, fuck it. Let's hope these hours go by fast.
His seat is behind here.
Guys, look at this. Unacceptable. Do this. I want to change seat.
Morning. It's only 17 minutes left. How do you feel?
The way I look.
I feel great.
Amazing.
Xin chào.
Guys, we made it. We are officially foreigners in Shanghai. This is Chinese infrastructure. This is the Lebanese infrastructure. Foreigner fingerprints, guys. We made it. Let's see. Next step.
Welcome to Ancient.
Finally.
مبسوطة. يمكن نبين إنه وقت الحكي.
Guys, we made it to the beautiful Seoul. We're gonna explore different parts of the city, eat good food, and just enjoy life. See you soon.